Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to do a quick video on training mode. Some people don't know this, but Heartland actually has a training mode feature set up. So if you're signed in as a manager, you can go up here to the menu at the top right and go to the manager menu. And if you go to general and you scroll down here a little bit, there is a training mode here. Now please note, it says, while enabled, payments aren't processed and orders aren't uploaded or synced to other devices. So when you turn this on, I don't know if you noticed, but stuff disappears over here. The time card feature disappears. So once you go in that, we'll exit all the way out here. If you notice, now it says warning, this location is in training mode, and warns that all gift and credit transactions are simulated, yada yada yada. So if you turn this on, just don't forget, oh, it also says up here, training mode, bright red. Just don't forget that you have this on. That's my only warning. So it's fun, it's good to use if you're just trying to let someone, like a new hire, just learn. You just want to set them on here and let them run. They can sign in. They can clock in and all that stuff. But you can let them have at it, and then when you're ready to go back in, you just go back to the same spot and undo it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.
Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.